Hey, here I am over in our advertising area, the Slam Marketing video section with Mike Berlin. Mike and I have been working together for a long time. He's made me look good on film, which is not an easy thing to do. Mike, tell us what's going on in the marketing world.
Well, so Slam is the art agency we built just for the car wash industry. We take new investors, we take them from branding, idea, through web, through launch, and get them going and get them rocking. And if you're an existing operator, we can help you take an old location, rebrand it, and boost some sales.
Yeah. And I am that person. My son is that person.
Tell me about it.
We're having a great time. We took the Monster brand from a few years ago. We put it out there and bought an old car wash, and the growth is just phenomenal. They keep growing at numbers that would be typical of a new site, and this is a 6-year-old site that's growing now at 25 and then 40% year after year. So we're excited. I mean, it's been a fun ride. It's been fantastic, and we're customers. So you're managing my marketing, and we can see the difference.
People ask me all the time, what's the magic bullet? You think about what you're doing, you got a killer location, a fantastic brand, fantastic crew and wash, and we're advertising, and we're working on your local SEO. You got a great website, so you're doing all of those things, and this is what happens.
That's it. It's a synergy. You put it all together, and it'll happen, right?
Yep.
Well, again, be here and get ready, because we're going to send some people down here to sign up, because everybody ought to be doing this, because it works, and I'm proof.